AI is not going to fix your safety program. It cannot walk your floor. It cannot earn your employees' trust. It cannot decide what is safe in the moment. And it cannot replace the judgment of the person responsible for the work. But it can make a capable safety professional faster. It can help you turn incident notes into a first draft of a training topic. It can help you spot patterns in survey responses. It can help you research a regulation, organize an audit, or get past the blank page when you need to write a program. Here is the important part. AI gives you a starting point. You provide the experience, the context, and the final judgment. That is why we are adding an optional AI track to the September Safety Program Accelerator. It is woven into the work you are already doing in the course. No extra assignments, no change to what it takes to earn your CSPA designation. Just practical ways to use free tools to do real safety work better. Bobbi says, AI can help you find the starting point. Leadership is still what gets you to the finish line.